Amid the rapid increase in restaurants offering different Asian and international cuisines, it is good to see some hotel restaurants offer specialty or themed cuisines distinctly Filipino. Hello fellow food trippers, please join us on this food trip for a lunch buffet at Restaurant 5 on the 5th floor of Discovery Suites at ADB Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City. In celebration of Philippine Independence, Restaurant 5 offers Fiesta Kulinarya, a culinary feast of Filipino cuisines for all Fridays of June, with the chef's culinary expertise on regional dishes. In appreciation and preservation of our rich Filipino culinary history and heritage, Fiesta Kulinarya boasts delightful Filipino classics like KBL of Iloilo, which is the kadyos, baboy, and langka, traditionally soured with batuan fruit. The harmonious flavors of coconut cream and the briny freshness of squid of kinataang pusit from Bicol. The gelatinous, collagen-rich and tender balbakwa of Cebu. The barbecued chicken marinated in citrus and anato, chicken inasal of Bacolod. The smoky and thick noodles of Pansit Bato of Bicol. And the soup of today, a bulalo and sinigang soup combined, the sour beef kansi of Iloilo, with servings of steamed white rice, and the sabu puso rice cooked in pouches of ribbon coconut prawns. The centerpiece of this Fiesta Fair and the main crowd pleaser is the bagnet of Ilocos, a pork belly cooked crispy, succulent, and tender, paired well with a spicy vinegar dipping sauce. The tasty bagnet is best complemented with a salad combination of fresh mixed greens, boiled egg, sautéed shrimp, grilled chicken, and crispy bacon bits with a choice of salad dressings of Thousand Island, Caesars, balsamic, and sweet Asian vinaigrette. Filipinos love to round off their meals with desserts. Diners indulge in fresh fruits like watermelon, cantaloupe, and pineapples. The dessert station also has some native delicacies of buko pie from Laguna, made with thin strips of sweet coconut in a flaky crust. The assorted flavors of pastillas de leche from Bulacan, minus the colorful and intricately designed wrapper made of Japanese paper, and the suman sa ibos from Quezon Province. Sweet and fragrant aroma of banana and kamote juice cooking in the open kitchen is so inviting that diners wait in line to consume its batch cooked. We enjoyed the refreshing lemon-infused water and the Four Seasons juice servings throughout the buffet. We cap our lovely meal off with a dessert-like treat of sweet, chocolatey taste mocha coffee. The celebration of Philippine Independence at Restaurant 5 was carefully thought out and beautifully executed. From the Fiesta banderitas to the lively rondalla background music playing, with female ushers dressed in colorful Filipiniana of kimona and patajong, and the enjoyment of authentic and timeless regional meals of Fiesta Kulinarya Buffet in between. A pleasant culinary experience we gladly did not miss. Like any fiesta celebrating Filipino culture, Fiesta Kulinarya is a thanksgiving for Mother Nature's bounty and our Motherland's 126th year of freedom. You may catch the themed lunch buffet special of Buffet on Fridays at Restaurant 5 for only 950 net per person. Available from 12 noon to 2:30 p.m. Regular lunch buffets are available Monday to Thursday for only 900 net per person. For inquiries and reservations, you may call telephone number 632-7719-8888. On our next food trip at Expect Room of Fairmont Hotel, Makati for a breakfast buffet. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching!